Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to resolve the intermittent connection issues. So, the most important thing is that you have to turn your keyboard to the 2.4 GHz connection mode at first. But before that, it's recommended to restart your keyboard totally. So unplug your dongle, delete all your profiles in the app, and of course you can make a copy of them. I don't really care about that. And then you can plug your dongle back and turn your keyboard on. Then fully charge your keyboard, so you can have your keyboard fully charged and you won't probably have the connectivity issues. If you would have the connectivity issues, you have to contact the device support because you may have the damaged keyboard or dongle. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!